my very own castle! Hey, do you like any of this? A princess dollhouse! So we'll buy it! It's mine! No, we saw it first! A flying unicorn! Where? What? He got the dollhouse! Don't cry, Josie! Look! This fell out of the box! Instructions for how to build a princess house! I have a great idea! Josie! We can build our own princess dollhouse! The size of a room! Yay! We have to clear the room first! Josie, you're not helping! Hold on! I need to get the markers! Let's get rid of all the stuff we don't need! Here you go, Anthony! Is that it? I'll help! So much room! We did it! High five! Now let's get ready! A jumpsuit. Tools. And a hard hat. Don't forget your goggles. I remembered. I'm ready to work. Let's mix the paint. I'll pour in the white. And I have a rainbow. Let's mix them. Hold on. I have an idea. Hold this. Where are you going? Look, Troom socks. I'll take a purple one. That's not a toy. We're going to paint the walls. It's too high. I can't reach. Get a stepladder. Don't laugh. Get to work. Done. We did a great job. Next step. I have boards. Now I have to calculate everything. Measure the length. Attach it. And saw off the extra. Phew. I have to drill holes. Done! Connect the pieces. That's a good start. This would make a great ceiling. Anthony, I found string. Nice. Lasso. Bullseye. Soon, we'll have the whole roof. Use lots of clips. I'll lift it. Wow, Josie, you are so strong. This is wearing me out. I need a nap. Josie! She's asleep already. Get your rest. I'll keep working. Here's a ladder. I can use it. I'll glue on an LED strip to the roof and attach tool. Now Josie's sky will always be clear. Done! Now I can break out the chainsaw. Oops! Too loud! Headphones so Josie doesn't wake up. Sleep well, kiddo. Chainsaw time! I did it! Sharpen my favorite pencil. Now I can mark the cutting line. And turn on the circular saw. Perfect! And the rest. Great! Now I can connect the pieces. better than this. Guy's using tools. Now this is starting to look pretty good. The walls are done. And so is this side. Now the base. I just have to put the pieces together. Done. I'll go over the outside of the house with this. Measure. Cut. And attach to the base. Done! But it needs windows. I'll put one here. Jigsaw time! Done! One more window. I'll make it look like a real castle. Mission accomplished! I've always wanted to kick down a door. I'll measure the right size. What's up? Yeah, I'm having a great weekend. Oh, NBD, just building a princess castle. Oh no, I painted over the numbers. Guys, do you remember what they were? Comment below. I'll keep painting. The wall is ready. Josie woke up. The surprise is ruined. Or not? Oops. She didn't notice. Lunch break is over. Hey, I like this lunchbox. I can use it for Josie's house. I'll cut out some pieces and put them on the outside of the house. Done! This could use some more yellow. I'll add some tulle over here. What's this? I'll make it look like wood. And paint it pink. This rope will go by the door. And put a unicorn on the coat of arms. Then I can lower the drawbridge. Phew! This is heavy. I'll secure it like this. The bed will go on the second floor. There'll be a lawn out front. But how can you get to the second story? It's too tall, and the slide is too slippery. I can't do it. I know. A trampoline. 1, 2, 3, go! What is this? Wow! A real castle! Welcome home! It's like the one in the store, but big! But wait, there's more! Here's a cloud swing! Whoa! I have my very own castle!
Yes!
Yay! And swings! Awesome! I can do everything I want! Blow bubbles. Slide around. And jump on a trampoline. Do you like it? I brought you some flowers. We can decorate the castle. Done! Lower the drawbridge. What do you think? None of my stuff is in here. Not for long. Your favorite picture. Teddy bear. Chair. And stool. Done. All my favorite stuff is here. It turned out great! Wow! It's like something from a fairy tale! Thank you!